Hi, this is Lee Young from Johnson Pool and Spa. We're here to talk about sanitizers. So you have a hot tub and you're trying to figure out what sanitizer should I go with. Well, I brought two of the most popular ones with me today, chlorine and bromine. So over here we have some chlorine. Let's talk about that. Chlorine is generally less expensive. It dissolves quicker and it's better at killing algae more quickly, and it can make water crystal clear. It's less effective at higher temperatures though. It oxidizes while working, not only removing bacteria, but organic matter as well. So over here we have brominating concentrate, which is our bromine. And this bromine does not need to be replenished as often to keep levels correct. It's also better at destroying pathogens. It's more effective at higher temperatures, and it's slightly less harsh on our skin. Also, it has less of an odor. It's also more active than chlorine with a pH of 8 to 8.2, and it's more effective. So there we went over some of the highlights of chlorine and bromine, but let's go into it just a little further here. So if you're somebody that's new at water chemistry, or you just don't get into balancing water or that water chemistry part, then bromine would be your better bet because it's a lot more forgiving than chlorine. Well, thank you so much for watching our video today, and bye from Johnson Pool and Spa. Hope to see you on our next video.